TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets and see where we're trading, as all three major indices are higher as of right now. NASDAQ up 6 points, trading at 6538. Dow 30 up 31 points, trading at 22,672, and S&P's up 4 points, trading at 2538. Jumping over to the VIX, bouncing around between $9.60 and $9.85. Quite the volatility in that market. Not quite, but we'll see where that shakes out. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, get a feel for some of the futures markets. Starting things off with the S&P 500. We reached the intraday highs at about 12:15 Eastern Time today, pulling back slightly, 2536 currently. NASDAQ 100, similar setup as coming a little bit off of those intraday highs, 6,005, quite a number on that NASDAQ. Euro US dollar currently trading at 117.60. Crude oil, so we had EIA inventories today, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We were live on the air. Here's the 10:30 bar there. Crude inventories fell 6 million barrels. The estimate was only a decline of 500,000 barrels, putting quite a bump in that initially. But as is always the case, the first move is not always the move that lasts, and crude pulling back under $50 after jumping to about $50.65. Crude currently trading $49.93. We'll see where that shakes out towards the end of the trading day. And gold struggling a bit, was up at about $12.84 as of 8 a.m. this morning, $12.75 on the December contract in gold. Other equities making some news today. Mylan Pharmaceuticals doing well for themselves, gaining FDA approval for a generic drug for MS, up almost 20% on the day. And the company that they will be taking business from, Teva Pharmaceuticals, down 13%. So that FDA approval coming sooner than either of those companies imagined and hitting the markets for sure. Pepsi releasing earnings last night. Pepsi bouncing back, but talking about decline in soda sales, maybe having to turn towards their food for growth. Market reacting, pre-market down just above 106 pre-market, but rebounding to 109. And another mover and a shaker, Monsanto, look at that volatility, up to 122, down to 119. We'll jump around real quick. Netflix making waves, up 3%, getting an upgrade from UBS. And let's check in on Tesla. Wrap it up. Tesla up another 2%. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. I'll talk to you next hour.